Today we have this 2018 Ford Escape. We're going to be doing a basic oil change and filter change. All right, let's get started. All right, first let's go ahead, open the hood. All right, then first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead open the fill cap right here. Open this up, and this one says you need a 5W20. That's what we're gonna be using. And then from here, let's go ahead lift the car up, so drain the oil. Alright, so once we got it up, we're gonna locate the drain plug, which is right here. Go ahead. Use this one. I'll drop that one. We're gonna catch it right here. Okay. And that's a size 17 millimeter plug. There you go. Go ahead, crack that loose. Then this can go ahead, let it drip. There you go. Yes. Okay, so once we get this drain, we can go ahead close this. Go ahead, close this up. And we're gonna go ahead remove the filter. Let's see. The filter is right. Close it under here. That's the filter. You can go ahead and drain it as well. Alright, that is out. Let it drain just for a little bit more, and then put a new one in. Let's see. There you go. Alright, let's go ahead and fully remove it. There you go. Then we're gonna wipe it out just a little bit. It's dirty. You can go ahead and drip it just a little bit more if you like to. All you gotta do is just clean that area so it's a little bit clean. All right. Then get the new filter right here. Let's go ahead, prime it, and put some grease here so it will seal pretty good. Go ahead, tight it. I like this prime because there's a little grip area here. You can hand tight it really good. You don't need any special tool to tight it. Hand tight is perfect. Then clean it up, and then we're done here. You can go ahead and bring the car down and then fill the oil. All right, then we're gonna go ahead, fill up the oil. We're gonna be using this Mobile 1. 5W20. And this is the whole gallon. I don't think it needs a whole gallon because this is only a 2.5 liter engine. I'll start putting like 3/4 of the gallon and then warm it up and then measure it. We're gonna go ahead and measure it with a dipstick after 5 minutes warm up. So all the oil will go to the system, and then there you go. That's it. Put it back here. I'll go ahead and close it and warm the car up. Then we're gonna measure with the dipstick. All right, after that, about 5-10 minutes warm up, I'm gonna go ahead turn off the car, and then let's check the oil level. Let's pull this out, then clean it, put it back in, and measure it. Oh man, pretty good. I'm right on the dot. A little over, but I'll take it. And that's it, guys. We're done with this. Double check everything. Everything looks okay. Go ahead, close the hood. And the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do the oil reset. All right, let's go ahead and do the reset the oil light. We already put the stickers on it. Okay, put it on position. Then we're gonna use these buttons here until you see that. See information. Press OK. No, we're not going to information. We're gonna go settings. Settings. So we're gonna be using this arrow and OK. We go into settings. Go to vehicle. And all life reset. There you go. Remaining, and then hold OK to reset this one. All life reset, hold OK. All life reset successful. There you go, 100%. And we're ready to go. Start the car. We're done, guys. I hope you like this video. This is the 2018 Ford Escape oil change and filter, and reset the oil maintenance light. I hope you like this video, guys. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.